Hey there, how are you? The RV Dummy here, Liberty Park, Salt Lake City, Utah. So a short time ago, I was taking a run around this very park here, and this really cool looking Class C RV pulls in. It was pretty big, and I've got to tell you something, I've never seen any RV like this. It was different than I've seen. I just haven't seen this brand. And so I approached the guy that was driving. Once he stopped and parked, I approached him. He probably thought I was a creepy stalker or something, but I kind of gave him the thumbs up. This thing looks really cool. Can I have a tour? Can I do a little video? And he looked at me like I was some weirdo. And then I explained to him, well, I'm the RV Dummy. I'm going to put you on YouTube. He kind of like warmed up a little bit to me. And then all of a sudden he became like super friendly, really good guy. His name is Tim, and he gave me a really nice tour of his RV. So without further ado, let's go ahead and meet up with Tim and take a real quick little tour. And then afterwards, I'm going to share something that he shared with me after the tour that is really pretty darn cool. So let's enjoy the tour. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I've got Tim here. I was walking around the park and I saw him pulling with his rig, and I was so curious about it. He's given me 5 minutes of his time to show me around. So Tim, congratulations on buying this brand new rig. Tell us what kind it is.
This is a Krystal 33. It's a 2008 on a Ford F550 chassis. So it's 33 feet long. It's got 2 slide outs. So the bedroom and the kitchen and the living room slide out. So the couch in the living room and the queen bedroom, queen bed in the bedroom slide out. And then this side is mostly, your propane and your hookups and stuff. And there's a couple storage compartments for your hoses and everything. They all have lights inside of them too. You just turn it on in the cab.
Now you got dualies in the back. Do you have a tire pressure monitor system in there?
No, I don't. I want to get one though. They're pretty pricey. Yeah. I will want to get one, but yeah, you just gotta check them all the time.
Yeah, no problem. I don't have one either on mine. People tell me to get one, but I don't have one either. So it's built on the F550 chassis, and I think it moved pretty well so far.
10 liter. Yeah. I thought once I put all my stuff in it that I was going to be moving around all sluggish, but I didn't even notice a difference. And I probably put 2,000 pounds of stuff in there. So, yeah, it's great. I'm really impressed with it. It has 31,000 miles on it, almost 32.
It's a 2008. That's pretty good. That's low mileage. That's not bad at all.
Really,
that's really not bad.
The engine's really sharp. Looks new. They armor-alled it and stuff, of course, but it looks great. Everything was in good condition.
Let's take a look at the inside.
Yeah.
If that's okay. What's your dog's name?
This is Lily.
Lily. Hi, Lily. Is Lily enjoying it?
She's not. She's not really enjoying it.
She's not enjoying it?
I think it's new, and it moves. The floor moves. The walls move. Makes a lot of weird noises. That she's not used to. So.
Right. I guess. I hope she'll get. How old is Lily?
She's 6.
I hope Lily will get used to it.
We went to the vet today, and the vet gave us some medication for her because she gets really bad anxiety. So.
Because of the rig, you mean?
Yeah. Like a lot of it's the generator. Like if I turn the generator off and we're just running on the solar, then she usually can calm down and stuff.
Well, I hope it gets better with Lily.
Yeah, she'll get better. She's already been getting better. It's only been a week. So.
Good. Let's take a look at the inside.
Come on in, buddy. Come on.
So it's got like a nice little step here.
You can go up there. You can go sit up front if you want.
Let's take a look in the front first. Nice.
So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's not like the most deluxe captain's chair and everything, but it's got armrests and cup holders. It's got a backup camera. And you got your power switches and stuff. And, there's a bunch of auxiliary switches if you want to like hook up a bunch of lights on the outside and stuff, like extra lighting and stuff like that.
Now this is a Class B. Class C, and normally there'd be like a
bed
here, but this is all cut out. That's
pretty
cool.
Basically for 2 people. There's only these 2 seat belts up front. None of these other chairs have any seat belts. And so, yeah, that's part of the reason why I got it. Like, seems like the bigger you go, it's always like, oh, it sleeps 12. And it's like, I need it to sleep me. You know?
Right.
What's up? And wasted space.
And
you so.
This is how it came when you bought it used. You didn't put anything in, so it's got like a nice...
it did have a different chair here that matched this footstool, but it's just kind of cheaply made, and when I sat on it, I'm kind of heavy, and I broke it. So, so I got my desk chair, but it works. My desk chair is better on my back anyways.
Yeah.
So
and it's got a nice TV here.
Yeah.
Looks like
It's
some
actually,
type of speaker system.
It's a Sony like 1080i with surround sound. There's a subwoofer in the couch.
Oh man!
So like this is a drawer. And I got my PlayStation and VR, and then a subwoofer down there.
Beautiful.
And so
this is like kind of like a little man cave.
It's pretty cool. And it's got so like around here, if you look over there, it's got custom like places for the direct TV and the DVD player. And then this is all your controls and stuff over here, like for the generator and the inverter, and you check your levels and stuff, and then breakers and fuses and stuff. Everything's pretty handy.
Pretty compact right in that area there. Very, very nice.
And there's a door on this side to get behind the TV.
Okay.
And there's some switches for the step and the awning and stuff over there too. It's everything's in pretty convenient places. And then there's a slide out. This slides out, a couple feet.
Here, okay.
It makes it a lot more roomy.
Oh yeah, definitely. And then, so you have like a lot of room here, but then when you do the slide out, that's incredible.
It's super nice.
And this converts into a bed, I guess, too.
Yeah, this turns into a bed as well. So that'll be nice, rainy days and playing video games, watching movies, just chill. Having a bad back day. It's nice to have multiple places to sit.
Little kitchenette here, like nice, very comfortable.
Yeah, and this doesn't convert. This is just
Gotcha.
Is how it is. Got storage up here. All these have the push button locks.
Right. Oh, good.
Got like 1,000 DVDs and stuff. Since it had a DVD player built in, I was like, I'm getting them all.
Beautiful.
And then,
beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Then.
So you got solar? Is that solar?
Yeah, I had them install solar. It's 165 watt solar. So right now it's pulling solar. You can see the sun and the little arrow to the battery means it's pulling power right now.
You had them install this?
Yeah, I had them installed. That was part of the deal.
Okay.
So it's like it's got to have solar. Don't care which one I get. It's got to have solar. Good. So the kitchen's pretty nice. It's got a huge sink. This sink is really deep, so you can. Oh yeah. It's pretty handy, and it's got a secondary seat. These little covers are also nice to have. Got outlets all over the place.
That's the exact coffee maker I have in my rig.
It's great.
I've got a Class
$20.
That's exactly what we use.
I just got it today.
Yep. Nice size microwave, actually.
Yeah, this is actually a convection oven / microwave, so you can bake brownies and cookies and stuff. And I thought that was really cool. So, and the 3-burner gas stove.
Yeah, good.
All this is storage.
Beautiful.
Little slide-out pantry. So that's nice having all your canners and everything. It's got one of the bigger fridges. I forget how many gallons they say it is, but
I'm gonna try to get back. This is a really nice size fridge. It's hard to even get the whole thing in, but it's much bigger than the typical fridge you'd have in a Class C.
Yeah, it's about the size of the fridge that's in my old apartment.
Yeah.
And it's all automatic, so it switches over. Like if you're running on propane and it's running low on propane, it'll switch over to power or vice versa. Exactly. You can set it up and stuff and program it.
The brand is Norcold. Yeah, I'm not even familiar with that brand.
Yeah, and then it's got, this is the heater / air conditioner. Comes with a remote, got remotes for everything. So, And then this is kind of cool because it has these heat emergency and cool emergency. So if you like come out from riding your bike and you're just sweating, and you just hit that cool and stand here and it'll just blast cold air on you. Otherwise, it comes out of all these little vents. There's vents all in the ceiling for the air conditioner, and then the heat vents are down at the bottom, the round ones.
Yep.
And everything works pretty well
And
too.
so go back to the. So you have a. It's just a. This is just a shower.
Yeah, just a
Just a
shower
shower.
there. It's
Wow.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can turn some lights on back here.
Sure.
Things are kind of messed. Just did laundry
okay.
yesterday, and
that's
haven't
all
put
right.
the slide out to get to my drawers.
Are you living out of this now?
Yeah, I've
So you're
I bought
full-time?
it last week, and I've lived in it every night since I bought it.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And
Beautiful.
yeah, I've just been boondocking too, just
Uh-huh.
kind of getting a feel for how long my resources last. You know,
Are you going to like
my
Walmart's
water.
Or Walmart's or where are you
Right, for the first few days, I've just been parking by my apartment. I got lucky, and there's like a field that's there's nothing there, you know, and so the street's kind of wide right there, so I'm able to park right there where I'm not bothering anybody, and yeah.
Beautiful.
So this a queen bed.
Queen bed.
And
Yeah,
it
very
slides
nice
out,
size.
slides all the way out,
Right.
and then you got
Yep.
like your walkway here, and then you have drawers all right here. There's another TV that's hooked up to the satellite as well. I don't have that going yet. I haven't called them and got it going again.
A lot of storage here. A
Yeah,
lot of nice
cabinets.
Nice storage.
These are where you can hand it up your shirts and stuff. More storage down there, and like if you wanted a bigger TV, you could even put one there. Like a huge TV. I had mine there, like my 46-inch, but I was like, it's a bit much, you know.
But you've got 3 TVs or 2 TVs total?
Two TVs.
Total, okay.
Yeah.
And then maybe the backup camera thing. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah, the backup camera, and then if you want, I can squeeze in and you can check out the bathroom. There's a light right there by the bottom. This door actually closes.
Is this the light here?
The top left
Top left. Top left.
on the right here.
Sorry about that. Oh, top left. Okay. Oh yeah.
So, and this door actually latches. So if you're with somebody else, you want some privacy
It's like a.
while you're
it's like
taking
a-
a shower, or whatever, you can latch
Yeah.
it. Feels like a yacht or something in here. Like I don't know, like a private jet or something.
Yes, I mean it's a nice sized bathroom.
Yeah, and there's lots of storage.
Lots of
There's
storage.
plenty of room under there. Plenty of room up here.
You got a scale in here and everything. Look at this. You got like.
Yeah, trash and everything. It's a porcelain toilet. It's
It's actually coarse.
yeah, and it uses air. You know, like.
All right.
So it fills up again. It's pretty cool. Works like kind of like an airplane toilet. I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got these fans. I guess these are pretty nice fans. They're real high powered. Like if you turn those on, like open a window, it'll just suck in all the air. Like it's really nice. Like when you gotta cool down fast and stuff. Let's see. So yeah, it's.
Oh, sure, label.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Sure.
Yeah. I've been just I added these cup holders because there wasn't any cup holders anywhere in my I needed some of those, but other than that, it's how I got it. Like I don't mind the trash. I haven't got to stop by somewhere. I've been doing a lot of shopping. There's so much stuff you need when you buy an RV.
Oh, I know about that. I'm not full time in
Oh my
mine, but I know. Yeah, I mean, buying it's only the beginning.
Yeah,
There's
that's
a lot
the
you
beginning.
gotta buy the stuff.
That took weeks, for me to find the right RV and stuff. So, yeah,
Tim, thank you so much for taking your time on the tour.
Welcome.
I wish you a lot of luck. I think you say you're brand new at RVs though, totally, right? Your first one, and you're going full time already. So good for you, man. I mean, that's a great life.
I wanted to do it for a long time. I've probably been watching YouTube videos for years on
Hopefully you become a fan
like
of-
small living and
Hopefully you become a
RV.
fan of my channel now too, because you're going to be featured on it. So,
Yeah, for sure.
yeah. Tell all your friends too.
Okay.
It's great.
So yeah,
Thanks.
it's pretty.
Tim, thanks again.
You're welcome.
Good luck to you, my friend. Good luck.
Thanks.
I hope to see you again around the area.
Thank you.
Hey, so what did you think? It was a really cool RV. I mean, you know, granted it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it was really pretty cool. So after the interview, after the tour of the RV, I'm hanging there talking with Tim for a little bit, and I really only wish I had this on video. But I asked him because he said he just got this. It's his first RV he ever had. He's only had it for a week, and I said, Tim, how is driving it? Is it real? Can you drive something? Are you comfortable driving something like this big? It's 33 feet. And he looked at me and said, oh yeah, I'm a veteran. I was in the service and I was in Iraq in battle, and I drove this big, he described the type of vehicle, like some kind of tremendously wide, large vehicle. So he said, oh yeah, this is nothing compared to what I drove in Iraq. And after I thanked him very much for his service, I just started thinking, you know, like we never know what's going on with anybody. I mean, he looked like a regular guy in an RV, but this guy served our country in battle, in war, in Iraq, and fought for us. And I just can't be more appreciative to people like that. So Tim, if you're watching this, I hope you are. Thanks again. Thanks so much for your service. I really want to get together with Tim again and just sit down with him, maybe in his RV with him, just him and Lily, his dog, and me, and just talk about what it's like he's embarking on a full-time RV trip across the country, why he's doing it, what he plans to get out of it. I'd just like to know so many things more about Tim and about his RV. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to locate him again if I possibly can, and we'll maybe do another show with Tim. But again, I hope you enjoy this today. Thanks so much for being with me. If you have an RV that you'd like me to tour, you might have to come to me. But if you want me to tour your RV and shoot a video of it and get it on YouTube, then just contact me, let me know. I would love to do it. Until we meet up in person, see you next time on my next video. I am Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy.